Obviously, you've seen Indy up close. I mean, is it tough? Is it tough to kind of make a pick having just played him?
Yeah, man. I mean, I played against Indy. I didn't play against these guys, but I know there's two teams that's going to be a very disciplined game. It's going to whoever doesn't get penalized, you know, is going to have a pretty good chance of winning.
How tough is that? Is that Colts offense to watch? You know, when you get those limited opportunities and then you know they're going to.
It's tough to watch when somebody just, Peyton Manning can dissect it. You know, he's playing against us.
Yeah.
You know, so it's tough to watch that kind of stuff.
How do you stop someone like that? I mean, what can they do to slow them down?
You contain them. You try to keep them off the field.
Right. How'd you end up with the Ocho Cinco News Network?
I was picked. You know, I was chosen very respectfully. You know, just get to show a lot of personality. Being with Ocho Cinco, you know, it's the best thing that I could have done. You know, enjoying myself out here.
He's got, I know, a connection with like Ray Lewis and some of the other guys on the Ravens. So I mean, is that kind of how you linked up, or I mean?
Oh yeah, no. We played in the Pro Bowl together. You know, being that kind of player. You know, and we shared a lot of laughs during the week. But now, you know, we continue to keep it going. You know, off the field, you know, it's like a big brotherhood.
Right. What about, you know, you're doing this with Chris Cooley? You guys kind of got almost that backyard rivalry, almost between Skins and Ravens.
Everybody,
love.
Yeah, it's all love. Now we're not hitting each other, and I don't get to hit them anyway.
Right.
You know, I get to watch them kind of go against our defense. You know, I don't like to see them do good when they play against us, but I just wish their health. You know, as long as they don't get hurt, you know, I'm pretty good with that.